Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to review Colson's Maxim wheels. These are Colson's Maxim wheels. They feature an exclusive ultra-tough thermoplastic compound that makes them impact resistant. The hardness or durometer is 85D. To look at it differently, the tread hardness of a Maxim wheel is similar to a hard hat or a bone. Compared to other hard tread wheels, Maxim wheels require less force to roll and swivel. This makes them a good choice for some ergonomic applications. Maxim wheels are available in 3 1/4, 4, 5, 6, and 8-inch diameters, and in 1 1/2 to 2 inch in width. Maxim wheels are easy rolling, durable, non-marking, NSF approved, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -45 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Maxim wheels are impervious to most chemicals, solvents, salts, gases, and alkalines. They do not absorb water. Depending on size, Maxim wheels can store up to 1,400 pounds per wheel. Maxim wheels can be fitted with mini bearing options, including Tolerant, roller, or precision ball bearings. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Maxim wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.